What's up guys, welcome back to Moto Revs 27. Adventure bikes keep getting bigger, heavier, and more expensive every single year. More horsepower, more electronics, more features. But hey, raise the question nobody wants to ask. What if a simple bike like the 2026 Kawasaki KLX300 actually makes more sense for most riders? Because honestly, for real-world riding, this thing might be all the adventure bike you actually need. The first reason is weight. Modern ADV bikes are becoming monsters. A lot of them weigh over 250 kilograms fully loaded. And sure, that sounds impressive on paper, until you drop one on a muddy trail. The KLX300 is different. It's light, narrow, and unintimidating. You don't fight the motorcycle, you ride it. That changes everything, especially off-road. And let's be honest, most adventure bikes spend more time in traffic than crossing deserts. That's where the KLX300 starts making a lot of sense. It's simple. No complicated electronics. No massive TFT screens distracting you. No endless riding modes. Just a lightweight dual sport with enough power to have fun everywhere. City streets. Easy. Back roads? Perfect. Dirt trails? That's literally what it was built for. And because the bike is lighter, you actually feel more confident pushing it harder. That's something many big ADV bikes lose. Another reason people are starting to love bikes like this again is freedom. Big adventure motorcycles are getting insanely expensive. Some cost as much as a small car. The KLX300 feels refreshing because it brings adventure riding back to basics. You don't need a premium touring machine to explore. You just need a motorcycle that makes you want to ride. And maybe that's the biggest advantage of the KLX300. It feels honest. You can crash it, pick it up, and keep going. You can take it places where big ADV owners become nervous. Now, of course, it's not perfect. Highway performance is limited. Wind protection is basically non-existent. And if you ride long interstate miles every day, a bigger ADV bike still makes more sense. But for many riders, the KLX300 might actually be the smarter motorcycle. Because maybe adventure riding was never about having the biggest bike. Maybe it was about having a bike you actually enjoy riding every single day. What do you think? Would you choose the KLX300 over a big adventure bike? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.